Flet's text field is the primary control for capturing user input. Because Flet is built on Flutter, the text field is highly customizable, perfect for anything from a simple search box to a complex validated form field. Here is a basic implementation example. We define a function _button _ click that updates a text control with the value from the text field when the button is pressed. The text field has several key properties. These include label for the floating title, value for the current text, and placeholder for hint text. It also supports password mode and can include a can _reveal _password icon. Furthermore, you can enable multi-line input or specify a keyboard _type for mobile optimization. You can visually customize the text field by adding icons and prefixes to enhance its intuitiveness. Properties like icon prefix _icon and suffix _text allow for detailed control. You can also change the border style using either outline, which is the default, or underline. This code snippet shows how to customize a text field using a label, a prefix icon, an underline border, and hint text. To create a responsive app, you can trigger actions based on user behavior using events. _change fires for every character typed or deleted. _submit fires when the user presses enter. _focus and blur fire when the user clicks into or out of the field. For input validation, utilize the error _text property to provide user feedback. If error _text is set to any value other than none, the field will visually turn red and display the error message you provide. In this example, the validate function checks if the input value is shorter than 5 characters. If it is, it sets the error _text to too short. Otherwise, it sets it to none, clearing the error. For more detailed documentation, please refer to the official Flet resources listed here. Now, let's begin the practical session by executing these commands to set up the project environment. Here we are creating the new directory for this session. We then navigate into the new directory, create the Flet project structure, and list the generated files.